everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So I'm going to be making a little sauce here with some kielbasa. I have some leftover tomato sauce. I have some corn and some black beans and some onion. So we're going to go ahead and use this up to make a nice little sauce to pour over rice. So this is going to come out absolutely delicious, guys. Let's get started. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take these smoked sausage out of the package and just kind of rinse them off, okay? Just to try to take some of that excess salt out, guys. So my pot is over here. And let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and start slicing these at an angle, kind of like the way they look instead of round. So I'm gonna do that to both of these lengths, and then that will go inside the pot. Now this is a quick and easy meal, so let me just go ahead and tell you about the collaboration. So Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it doesn't matter what you make, you can go ahead and you can do breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert. You can do grilling outside. You can go ahead and do takeout. It doesn't really matter what it is you choose to do. That's what's so much fun about this collaboration. You can pretty much do anything. And just make your video and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. So hosting in this collaboration is myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have my Mountain Home and Kitchen, Jean Home Decor and more, and Debbie Bubbles. So please join us. We would love to have you. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and just chop some of this onion. I'm not really gonna chop it really small. I'm just kind of dicing it like this. This is good enough for me. I'm gonna add some olive oil to the pan. This is a very easy recipe, and all you need to do really is just watch and slow the video down. So this is a small container of the leftover corn that I had. That's gonna go in there. And so this will be put in the sink. And yes, I am eating some chips and my water's right there. So, and we have some black beans in a small container. We're gonna add that there. I absolutely love this. So when there's leftover stuff, I always just kind of figure out what we can, come up with. All right. So now we're going to come over here where the pot is, and I am going to add some salt. I'm going to flash fry this because that sausage is already cooked. So when you buy that sausage, that kielbasa, it's already smoked, so it's already cooked. So all I did was cut it up. So all I'm really doing is flash frying it just to give it a little bit of color. I'm gonna go ahead and saute everything, make sure everything is cooked right before I put the sauce in there. So here is some black pepper. And then I had some leftover Italian seasoning, so we're just gonna go ahead and add that because this is almost done, or it is finished. And then we have the garlic powder. So we're gonna put some garlic powder in there. I'm gonna add some olive oil. Okay, and I'm not measuring anything. Now I'm gonna turn this on. Let's see. So I'm gonna let this go ahead and get going, you know, sizzling there. And then I'm gonna bring you right back. So see how delicious this looks? And this is before we even add the sauce. So I will bring you right back as soon as that starts getting warm and starts cooking. All right, so let me tell you what I did do. Okay, so I did add some more salt and garlic, and I did add the rest of the sauce. I don't know if I said that already, but anyway, this is what it's looking like. So the onions are in there already, the beans in the corn are in there already. And what I did was I steamed some rice. So I can probably turn this up a little bit. Okay, and then this is what the rice is looking like. So let me just back this up here. So this rice is nice and warm, and this is steamed through. Let me get another spoon. All right. So, wow, this is looking so good. I'm gonna let that rice steam a little bit more because I know it doesn't look fully done. So I'm gonna wait for this to cook a little bit longer, and then we're gonna plate it up so that I can show you what it looks like. Yummy. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get the plate and serve. All right, I'll be right back. Okay. So I'm gonna say this is a Southwestern style type of a dish, and oh my goodness, looks amazing. So this is what it looks like, guys. Isn't that absolutely looks absolutely amazing, delicious, and this is what we're having tonight. So let's head on over to the reveal. So remember, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen.